I noticed
Mm.
is that when I'm driving,
Actually, like, shift my body to the side.
Yeah.
and I just like lately I've been trying to like keep my body straight,
Yeah.
and I know that's what's messing like lower back on one,
Mhm.
on only one side.
That looks really cool. Come up a little bit more. Push it. There you go.
See this just like this. And relax right here. Good. Good. Go on the other side. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good? You alright?
But maybe that wouldn't work.
And let it all out. Let that air out. Good. Good. Go right here.
I got scared for a second.
You're good. I'm gonna go right here on this atlas. Right here, okay. Let's get you on your stomach now. All right, man, you're all set.